in today's video, I'm going to be explaining and showing you how to fix an error E03 on your Canon Pixma TS3700 series printer. If you find this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. So guys, what error E03 means is that you have a paper jam. Now, to fix a paper jam on your Canon Pixma printer, the first thing you need to do is to unplug your printer, okay? Because you're going to have to be going inside your printer, maybe with your hands or some chopsticks or something that you can access kind of the finer, maybe stuck pieces of paper with, and you're going to have to manually take the paper out. So you don't want your Canon Pixma to be on whilst this is happening. So I'm going to unplug my Pixma and show you from there what to do to fix this error. So here we go, guys. My Canon Pixma is unplugged. And the first place you want to look, guys, and I will say, unfortunately, Canon Pixma have not made this an easy process. If you have like a HP printer or an Epson printer, normally you can just lift up the top and kind of have a little rummage around. But Canon Pixma or Canon have unfortunately made the only really accessible place inside your printer be the front at over here. So this is where you can access the inside of your printer. So it's not the best option, but unfortunately it is the most practical one with this printer. So you're gonna have to get your hand or get some chopsticks, I would recommend. Get them inside and just kind of see and grab any loose pieces of paper you can find, and try not to damage anything inside the printer as well. Be careful of that clear strip in the back, as that is quite a fragile piece of tech. Now, you can also go through the back, and I'll definitely recommend checking out the back here. So take out any paper you have and go through the rear paper feeder. But guys, so have a look inside there, but that is basically the whole paper flow. If you see, it goes in through there, and you can see where it comes through in the back, and it will come out the front here. That is the entire paper flow. So your paper will be stuck somewhere along there. But guys, that is it for today. Thank you very much for watching. If you do need to get inside your Canon Pixma, I do have a video in the description from someone else that is really good, but it will require screwdrivers and disconnecting circuits, and it's quite a complicated process. So I wouldn't really recommend doing it if you don't know what you're doing. But that is it for today. Thank you very much for watching. If you guys find this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe, as that would help us out so much, and we can continue making videos for you. We love helping you guys out with your printers. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. We'll help everyone out as soon as we can. And guys, check out our link in the description for any printer supplies from our sponsor. They're a global printer supply store. They do really good deals, and they do have really fast shipping. We get all of our stuff from them, and you'd be helping out a small business, which would be a great thing to do. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.